Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the search function on your Execulink guide. To open the search function, press the yellow button on your remote control. To search for a program, spell out the title using the on-screen keyboard. Press the up, down, left, and right arrows on your controller to highlight the letters and press OK to select them. You can choose from the results below the keyboard to find your show's title, or choose from the populated shows on the right. The results on the right are divided into appropriate sections. For example, guide results, on-demand results, and DVR results, if any. Tune to the program in order to watch, record, or rent your program. You can even search for shows and movies by the actors who starred in them. Search for the name of the actor in the search function, or click on an actor's name in the expanded information for a movie or TV show. This will show you all the available programming that particular actor has starred in.